Hey, this is Chris Bagwell, and I'm showcasing my Razor Pages movie application. There it is running on my local host. Here's my movies right here. I got listed. I could create a new movie. Create a new movie. Avengers. I forget when it was released. I'll just say the date that I saw it. Oh, this also works with the little date picker. We'll just say today, just for the sake of. So see, it says that must match a genre. So we'll just say Western again for sake of easiness. $10 even, and it was rated PG-13. And let's create that, and it says, oh no, there's another one. So we'll just make it G. Is what it's asking for. And then we do a create. And so you see the Avengers got added there. We could edit it and be like, oh no, it wasn't G. It was actually PG. And save it. And then we could be like, oh, what's the details on this movie? Okay, this is cool details. And we'll go edit and save if we wanted to. And then we could delete a movie as well. And all that happens through the code that we went through on the tutorial here. Here's the movie CS code to give the error messages of the regular expressions and the string length, and make sure that the fields are required. And here's index CS HTML CS page, for example, and it was all just set up through the tutorial that was provided and the website. So we have a movies pages, we have a shared pages where the layout happens, and our model data right here. So yeah, that's it.